good morning from my little corner here. There's something magical about the morning sunlight as it hits the aged wood surfaces and gold accents in this room. We often think that living in a small apartment means sacrificing style, or that antiques are only for museum display. But for me, every antique here has a story, and the morning is when that story begins again. Today, I want to show you how a simple routine can become art through the right arrangement. Coffee rituals and breakfast area arrangement. The sound of boiling water and the clink of silver spoons on old china. For me, it's meditation. In a limited space, every inch of the table counts. I always like to use a tray to group my breakfast items. Besides looking more curated, the tray provides a visual boundary so the table doesn't feel crowded. Using vintage cups isn't just about aesthetics, but about appreciating the small details that make morning coffee feel a little more special. It's a small ritual to start the day with good intentions. Tips for styling a corner room with antiques. Now, let's talk about balance. Arranging antiques in a studio apartment requires a little trick. One of my favorite secrets is using this old gold mirror. Besides beautifying the wall, it reflects light and creates the illusion of more depth, as if the room is breathing. I also love layering. Try stacking some old linen-covered books as a base for a vase or candle. This variation in height adds dimension to the eye, making a narrow corner feel more dynamic and less rigid. Antique care and functionality. Many people ask, how do I keep all this stuff clean in a small apartment? The key is our relationship with the items. Antiques shouldn't die behind glass cabinets. They want to be used. Polishing the brass details lightly with a soft cloth every morning isn't just about dusting them off. It's my way of preserving the history they carry. By choosing functional antiques, like an old wooden chest that doubles as a table, we not only save space but also give new purpose to objects from the past. Reflection and closing. When everything is organized, there's a sense of peace that's hard to explain. This apartment may be small, but surrounded by the things we love, it feels incredibly spacious. I hope this video inspires you to find beauty in the old things around you. It doesn't need to be much, just one thing that makes you smile every morning. Before I say goodbye, I want to know, if you could have one dream antique in your home, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. See you on the next quiet morning.